this video, I am going to teach you how to create a form in ClickUp. So ClickUp offers a feature called Forms that allows you to gather data from users and automatically convert their submissions into tasks. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how to create a form right here in ClickUp. So the first thing that you need to do is to log into your ClickUp account if you do have an account already. But if you don't have an account yet, you can just simply sign up using your credentials and information. And all of the necessary links are available in the description down below. So you can just check that in there. So now once you have logged into your account, you need to go to the space where you'd like to add the form. So forms in ClickUp are created within a list. So make sure that you are in the right space and the right list. And if you don't have a list created already, just click this plus button right here next to your space's name to create a new list. So give your name list like form submissions. If you want to, then just select the list where you want to store the form responses. So then in your list view, click this plus view button situated on the upper part of your screen near the center. So from the drop down menu right here, select forms. So it should be under the more view section. This will take you to the form building interface. So now that you are in here, you can start adding questions. You can add adding fields. So to add fields, choose the type of field that you need, such as task name, task description, priority, the start date, the due date, that attachments, and so on. So if you want, for example, I'm just going to drag this task name right here. So I'm just going to drag it in the place where I want to put it, drop it there, and then you can add text wherever you want it. Also, if you want to add priorities and so on, you can just again simply drag and drop that from this section to your form. So now for the customized field names for each field right here, you can click on to the name for you to be able to customize the label. So for example, name or email address or feedback. So if a field is required, just toggle the required or check this required checkbox right here. Make sure this is checked to make sure that the respondents cannot skip it. So next is to add task custom fields. So on the bottom part right here, if you want to add custom fields or if you want specific responses to populate as task attributes like priority, due date, or tags, so add those fields in the form and map them to your tasks fields. So at the top of the form, you can also add a title and a description right here. So this is the title and the description. So this is to explain what form is about and provide instructions for users if you want to add that. So once you've set up your fields, you can click onto the preview button situated on the center part of your screen to see how your form will look like to your users. And you can also customize form settings. So after submission, users can be redirected to a custom URL right here. And also you can set up a email confirmation. So if you'd like users to receive a confirmation email after submitting the form. So next, you can also share the form if you want to do so by clicking onto this copy link button situated on the upper right part of your screen. So it is right here copied, so then you can share it to your users. And also once you click onto this downward arrow, you'll be able to see if you want to set it to never expire. You can share link with search engines, auto size, embed height, and so on. If you want to use or to see the embed code of your form, you can do so by clicking onto this copy code right here and paste it for you to be able to use that code. So that's basically it. That is how you can create forms here in ClickUp. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.